Are you looking for custom CNC milling solutions? Createproto Rapid System Limited is renowned for delivering outstanding production quality. They specialize in providing bespoke solutions that are tailored to meet your unique needs. Whether you need prototypes or full-scale production, their expertise ensures quick, accurate quotes for every project. With a focus on precision and quality, you can count on them to exceed expectations. Their efficient approach guarantees that your custom parts are crafted with the highest standards. Choose them today and bring your ideas to life with precision and excellence. Browse Createproto.com for more information.